Want to make your WooCommerce products more visual and user-friendly? Add color and image swatches. First, install the color and image variation swatches for WooCommerce plugin from WPFactory. Download the plugin file, then upload and install. Activate the plugin, then open its settings from the WooCommerce menu. Go to WooCommerce, Settings, then Color and Image Swatches. Enable swatches to replace default drop-downs on variable products. We'll use product attributes like color, size, or texture. Set each attribute type to color, image, or label to show swatches. Add hex color codes or upload images for each term to make options clear. View a product page to confirm swatches appear instead of drop-downs. Customers can now pick variations visually in one click, and that's it. Your customers can now select variations easily with clear colors and images. This is a quick overview. For the full step-by-step guide, check the article on WPFactory.